Soft towels folded, glowing candles low. Let's see oils on your wrist, little rivers of slow. A tray of calm on wood and golden light. This tiny ritual can hold you whole night. 60 seconds of intention. Breathe in, breathe out, let it go. You don't need that distance by dream. You deserve this here and close. 60 seconds of intention. Right here on your living room floor. Breathe, relax and release it. You deserve this. Nothing more. Phone face down, world on mute. Neck roll, shoulders drop, find your quiet truth. Steam on the mirror, thoughts drift and fade. You are not your worries, you are who you've made. Close your eyes, let the noise fall away. There is nothing to hold, nothing to prove today. Breathe in light, let it wash through your mind. Every moment unfolds right on time. I am here, I am safe in the quiet. I release what I was to become what I am. Stillness speaks in the glow of the flame. I return to myself again. Close your eyes, let the noise fall away. There is nothing to hold, nothing to prove today. Breathe in light, let it wash through your mind. Every moment unfolds right on time. I am here, return to myself again. one drop falls. Stumble waits a mirror deep, velvet petals gently sleep. A silver wisp of steam ascends where the hurried world just ends. Healing water, soft and low, let the quiet stillness grow. In this perfect, gentle flow, just letting go, letting go. The ripples fade, peace is made, exhaling low. Soft breath, love, one drop falls. Stumble waits a mirror deep, velvet petals gently sleep. A silver wisp of steam ascends where the hurried world just ends. Healing water, soft and low, let the quiet stillness grow. In this perfect, gentle flow, just letting go, letting go. The ripples fade, peace is made, exhale and fade.